wax for French polishers. Now look, I promise you that's had one coat, wood stain.
Yeah.
Right, and all I've done is apply 3 coats of wax to that wood. There's no varnish on it, no French polishing, that's wax. How's that, Joe? That's the bolts. Jeff, go and put that up in the trailer, the lid. It'll get scratched.
That one. Just going to tie it on there.
Mind you, that's the bolts or clips to tie that battery. Put the battery to the poles. Here, no, I'll give you 2 tubes of wax. No, the dented, the single tub. Put that on the
You didn't recognise it, did you? 'Cause it's not matte black. Where's the washing? Frank's got a couple. He's made a couple more. Can you get them, I think?
Huh? That's it. When you tighten it up, it squashes it up.
In fact, what you do is chew it like Eskimo women.
Well, we finally made it here today. Beautiful day at Stony Cove. After a lot of work, the pumps are finally ready to play their part in this historical diving rally which is being held today. We don't anticipate diving more than about 20 metres at most, mainly because we haven't got enough hose, but it should be a good day.
Lovely morning, Frank. Just have to stick you out. Just signs your life. Everything you own is now.
No, not his books.
Not the books. The books go to part of it.
Joe, you have to press down to speak when I talk to you, all right? You're listening there. When you want to talk back, you have to press to speak to me, all right?
Get rid of this lumpy thing sticking out the side of his head.
That's his ear.
That's my nose.
That's it.
I prefer to face the other way. Everybody's watching me. Feels nice.
Get it right up with wear, so. Right, I'll give you some. The nuts are in your pocket, look.
Don't drop it.
All you do is dip in that pocket.
Right, yeah, I'm with you.
Just spin them on until they're.
They're not going to fall in the water.
It is. Yes.
I know, but there's another one. Tight, all tight, Colin. Hey? Pull it tight.
He was half pint this one, wasn't he?
Hey. Should have used woodlands on the machine.
What?
Could we just have one pose of
Seconds to breathe in.
Okay,
Just leave it there. Pull that up loose. That's it. Thanks for doing it. Yeah. You've got to take up
about 6 inches.
inside your dress, sir.
You leave everything to the historical.
If you do, everything's got it too.
Sorry about that.
Now I think you'll find that and half a turn and you're in.
I think. Yeah.
Yes, I thought I was right. You got your punch on the dart?
You've got to stop.
Under his arm.
You've got to keep going.
At least you pose, it's alright.
He's got about 3 or 4 minutes and then he's
I'm going to put a line on it, so this is going to be together, alright? These two come on the same side. Oh, I've got a lifeline.
No, but the lifeline comes inside with this.
So you want this? So
From the other side.
so that's brand new like this. Fold that through, and that comes under that arm. That's it. That's fine.
And the other one comes the other side
And ties onto the other
and ties onto there.
All right.
If it's not enough.
No, don't
Just
jump
relax.
about, Frank.
Just in a reef, yeah?
Yeah.
Tied your dress, sir?
That's the last hole. So.
If you just move, we'll have a quick. That's good. Can you just stop for a
If
second?
you want to take some pictures, Pam.
Just at the
Yeah. Just push it on.
You know, Facebook, there is a problem.
Walk over to the... Got a lifeline? Play through your jacket. And put it down on the other side.
Because he fills the face plate and the other Steve the man who's going to touch it.
Right, it's a bit cocked shut.
Is he roped up too quick so we have to pull it off? Because we'll...
Fun anyway, like, yeah. And then they'll start pulling up.
Oh, as long as he can shirts never start
Oh, yeah, we've got comms.
Two of us going to be there, they could worry them.
When I go down, when I
The
go
only
down,
problem with these things
just go under the water.
just the valve stick or
Yeah,
anything.
but check me for leaks.
Floats face down on the surface. You can't keep that.
Difficult to do.
Well, you'll see the leaks.
Valve on the back of the helmet.
That's wrong. Look, that's going to come out.
As you just go to those surfaces, can you check in for leaks? There's a girl out there drowning or crying or...
Aaron.
As well.
Right, now you've got a pump.
It's never cold.
Right, go, Cole. There's no pressure, Colin.
No, sorry, it won't really go.
Right.
It's not too difficult to get this
No, the wheels help. Mind you, on a small dive boat going up and down, burn it for about half an hour.
Well, and the rest, couple of hours.
Do there.
I'm slow on the pumping, lads. He's been flaking a bit here.
Well, that's right, yeah.
Steady, because you've got... It takes
It's all right. He'll want us down the surface.
Going down with him or?
You coming down as well? There's two of us coming down.
Still alone, look at over this. Are you just checking the leaks?
Yeah, okay. Over. Can you say again, over?
Do you have any leaks?
No, it seems to be okay. Over.
I'm very important to stay with. Because after we talk about that, you're alright, over.
No, it's okay.
Jeff, you can do one at a time or you can kick me up.
Well, okay, but Chris can keep.
Yeah, lovely.
Rocky. And Silver, I think. Oh, we'll ask the diver. Yep. What's it like on the bottom?
It's very stony. Lots of rocks. A couple of current things down the bottom there. Visibility's not too bad. I can't get the stick up to hold on. It seems to be working.
You might have to undo it all, you know. No. Bottom strap. Get it? Right. You'd be surprised. You're saying you need otherwise. You've got about 4 minutes when you've pumped up. If you stop now, he's got 4 minutes.
So could you stop polishing everything and get in?
Right, helmet, and we're going to try.
Who volunteers for pumping?
More at my face.
Okay, that's not a good idea.
Okay, hang on.
The wrong angle.
Oh, that's tonight. Let's get rid of these.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
What? Take the what? Yes, you have.
Right, back weight's going on now.
The pump's moving backwards.
Hey.
Pump's moving backwards that way.
Here. Brilliant.
Thanks, 3 more pin there.
Right, not yet.
Can't let it get lost.
This one?
Yeah, they're worth a fortune.
No, no. That's not your one.
Keep it safe.
Oh, is it?
No, I think it came across there, didn't it?
No, you want to put it.
Yeah.
No, it's only vital actually.
Heart. Jack?
I think it goes all again. I remember the house. Oh, yeah. The company sets up their own, no, it doesn't have its own stuff, it's all owned by members. It's quite okay.
Steve Frank.
You just had a scare.
Plugs into one diver socket. Right, you can take your back weight off now. Once we give you the slack.
I wish I was.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hello, Jack. Still with us, are you?
What was it like, Frank?
It was brilliant. It was absolutely brilliant. It worked so really well. Really well. I'm really pleased with it. I'm really pleased with it.
Yeah, getting a good shake on this platform.
What was it like when you saw Harvey?
Oh, great. It's really funny.
Bugger off.
Could you see each other through the faceplates?
This guy,
You could see one another, but it's a bit misty down there. I don't know what it's like diving in this. Yeah, it's very good.
You enjoyed it?
Oh, brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. Especially when you've done it all yourself. Both of them.
Hard work, right? It's gone down now.
Okay, another one.
Got it?
Scuff me toe caps up a bit.
Oh dear.
Okay, right. No, just rub her on the back of your legs.
Right, helmet.
Look, this telephone lead. I know, all over the place.
It's like down on the floor.
It's a lot better the second time with the air. It's lovely.
That's an optional extra. I find it helps that.
Frank?
Really? See? Makes a difference.
There you go.
Frank, you've no idea.
Thanks very much, you pumpers.
I'm not like that, you see, I just get kitted up.
Oh, right, go in, yeah. That's it.
Yeah, just throw yourself in. But when you get to the bottom of the ladder and all the air stops,
Easily cuff to what?
wind up.
That's it.
Press the red button. Yeah. 6 cameras as well.